here I have picked three important topics from electricity: current, potential and potential difference. So first topic is current. What is current? Current is defined as the rate of flow of charge. Let's try to understand. If this is the charge and the flow of charge, flow means motion of charge with respect to time. Rate stands for with respect to time. So when charge is moving with respect to time, then it is known as current. Okay, and if we formulate the current according to the definition, then it becomes charge per unit time. Charge per unit time. Okay, same, flow of charge per unit time. Okay, so this is the current formula. Current is denoted by I. Charge, we know that it is denoted by small q or capital Q. Okay, and time, T for time. So I is equal to Q upon T. Yes, we can also calculate SI unit for this. SI unit for of current, we can easily calculate from this formula. Okay, I is equal to Q upon time means if we want to calculate SI unit, then SI unit of charge is coulomb, SI unit of time is second. So coulomb per unit second. This is the SI unit of current. Okay, which is known as ampere. Instead of saying coulomb per unit second, we can also say ampere. Okay, this is more general unit of current. Okay, now next topic is potential. What is potential? So first definition of potential says the amount of work done in moving an unit positive charge from infinity to a given point is known as potential. What this definition is saying, let's understand. The amount of work done in moving an unit positive charge. Unit positive charge, consider this is unit positive charge. Okay, so work done in moving this unit positive charge from infinity, consider this is infinity point. Okay, infinity point means when distance is not fixed. Okay, so we are taking any reference point. So in moving this charge from infinity to a given point A, so how much work has done is known as potential. Okay, so potential is equal to, if I write the formula, what will be? Work done on unit charge. We can also say work done upon charge. Okay, because work done on unit charge in moving from infinity to a given point. Point A is given. Okay, so this is the potential. Potential is denoted by capital V. Work is denoted by W. Charge is denoted by Q. So V is equal to W upon Q. This is the formula for potential. Now SI unit for this. SI unit for potential. Simply we can calculate from the formula. SI unit of work is joule. Okay. SI unit of charge is coulomb. So joule per unit coulomb. This is the SI unit of potential, which is equal to volt. Joule per unit coulomb. So in general we say SI unit of potential is equal to volt. Sometimes you can also ask what is the value of 1 volt. Then in that case 1 volt will be what? Just see from here, volt is equal to joule per unit coulomb. coulomb means 1 volt will be 1 joule per unit coulomb. Okay, that means when 1 joule of work, how much work? 1 joule of work is done on 1 coulomb of unit charge, then it is known as potential is 1 volt. Okay, yes. So this is all about potential and current. Potential is which kind of quantity? Scalar quantity. In this we don't mind the direction, only magnitude is different. So it is scalar quantity. Okay. Now we can see potential is the responsible factor for moving the charge. Okay, because of this potential, this charge is moving from infinity to a point. Okay, or any reference, from any reference point to a given point. That means potential is responsible for motion of charge, or you can say motion of charge is due to potential. It implies current also due to potential. We can easily understand this thing. Because of potential, charge is moving, okay, from any point to other point, okay, from any reference point to the other point. So if charge is moving means current is there. Current, that means directly current depend on potential. Okay, so this is also a point. So this is all about potential. Now what is potential difference? This is next topic, potential difference. Okay, actually potential difference and potential are not much different things. They are quite similar. We can see potential difference according to its name of the topic, difference of the potential. What is the meaning of potential difference? Difference of the potential. And yes, whenever we talk about difference means we will have two quantity. That means potential difference is the difference of two potential. Difference of two potential. Okay. So if directly I say in this case, here we have given one point. That means we have only a point potential. In this case, if we go back to the potential, then potential of a point is work done in moving unit positive charge from infinity to the given point. So this is VA. Okay. But in this case, we will have 2 point. So 2 point means two potentials, like point A and point B. So charge is moving from one given point to the another given point. That means this positive unit charge is moving from one given point to the another given point. So this point has potential VA, this point has potential VB. So work done from A to B in moving this positive charge is equal to potential difference. Are you getting my point? So potential difference is nothing but VB minus VA. Okay, this is the final point. Final point. Okay, so VB is the final point potential and VA is the initial point potential. Okay, in that case we have not taken infinity. Why? Because we have already a given point. Okay, yes, and we can also calculate this same formula from this. Let's see how. In this case, one point is A, another point was, initial point is what? Infinity. Okay, and always potential at infinity is 0. We consider, okay, when no other point is given, in that case we take a reference point which is known as infinity point. Okay, so potential at that point we take 0 volt. So we can easily calculate potential difference. For this case will be what? Potential of final point means A point minus potential of initial point means infinity point. So VA minus V infinity. As we know, infinity potential is 0. Okay, so it becomes VA. Same formula we get. So potential difference is just quite similar to potential, except that in this case we have given only 1 point, so we will take another point as infinity or any reference point, and in this case we will have 2 points. Okay, so simply we need to calculate the difference, and in terms of formula, if we write same formula, W means work done in moving from A to B, so I can write work done A to B. Okay, divide by charge. SI unit will be same, volt. Okay, so this is all about current, potential and potential difference. I hope guys this will more clear to you now. Okay, uh, if we see a recap, then easily what is current? It is the rate of flow of charge. SI unit is ampere. What is potential? It is the work done in moving a charge from infinity to a given point. What is potential difference? It is the work done in moving charge from a given point to another given point, means one point to another point. Okay, or we can say it is the difference of two potential, final potential minus initial potential. That's it. Thank you so much.